Hello there and welcome back to Pete's Plastic Playground for a themed video this time to discuss something that is something that we all experience from time to time, and that is a bargain kit. Now, there have been a lot of bargains. In fact, I think I'm fairly honest to say that if I do buy a kit, it's never at full price. There have been times where certain shops have been knocking them out cheap, and so what I wanted to do is just do a quick rundown of my 5 top bargains that I've ever bought in a shop from Airfix. So I'll start with number 1 now, and I shall just reach over my shoulder and start with this one. So it's a 1/72 scale Hawker Hurricane, and this came from a shop called Home Bargains. And I think it was these sort of deals happened in the era when Airfix had a bit of a wobble. They were under a different ownership, and now that everything's back in order and happening at Margate's, I think the era of these sort of bargains is gone. But Home Bargains store, they sold this and lots of others actually, because I think at the time I bought 3 kits for less than a tenner, and they were all decent ones actually. In fact, another one's going to feature in a minute. But this Hurricane is brilliant. It's got 3 variants, including a sort of Sea Hurricane, and so it's a really nice option kit. So that's number 1 in my top 5 bargain kits. Okay, so number 2 in my list of top 5 bargains. Again, it was from the Home Bargains store. Home Bargains is a chain that I think that there's one in every town, and it's a little bit like Woolworths used to be. In fact, their branding is the similar sort of light blue and red sort of colouring. But again, this was a £3 kit, and what I mean, it's peanuts, isn't it, for the amount of time you spend enjoying it, building the model, and for the end result, which is always pretty good. I've done the Dauntless a few times now, and it's a blooming big model actually for a 172. It's a big aircraft, and you can, if you want, go to the extent of drilling out all of these little holes in the what do you call them, the air brakes. There's spoilers that are special spoilers because it was a dive bomber. So that's number 2 of my all-time biggest bargains, and again, Home Bargains for £3. Brilliant. Number 3 on my list of all-time big bargains, and you can see from the sticker that it really was a cracker, because I think this one goes for about £70 now as a recommended retail price. But the Type 45 Destroyer in 1/350 scale, and this one came again back in the sort of wobbly days of Airfix. They started having little retail outlet shops, which was brilliant, because this one came from the Hornby store within the MacArthur Glen designer outlet place at Swindon, which is located on the site of the old Swindon Railway Works. So it was always very poignant to visit that place, because you can sort of smell those lovely locos that were built there. In fact, there's the museum next door where you can go in and see locos like City of Truro. King George V is in there, and there's a Colic Goods and so on. It's an interesting museum actually. But here we are. So number 3 on my list of my top 5 bargains is the Type 45 Destroyer. That it's nice and dusty for being in the stash for many years now. Probably about, I don't know, 12 years this has been in the stash. So and here it will remain. So one day I'll build it. Look quite good next to Lusty. And I don't think I'd have to get another cabinet to put it in. But so number 4, it's again from the little Swindon outlet store, the Hornby store at Swindon, which is long gone now. I wish it was still there, because I'd be more inclined to go down there at the weekend, but there's nothing there to interest us anymore. But the 172 8th Air Force bomber resupply set with an integral B-17. Now, this is a colossal bargain. I got this for 17 quid in that shop. I don't know why it was so cheap, and I have peeled the sticker off quite successfully because I wanted to take a picture of the box for some reason. But it comes with a B17 and a number of decent vehicles, including this this fuel tanker. And so it's a cracking set, and I think it retails, or it retailed at about, I don't know, around about the 60 quid mark, considering that you've got the aircraft in there as well. And so yeah, this one, again, it's been in the stash for years because the retail shop closed donkeys years ago. And so will I build it? I don't know. I've done one B17. Maybe I'll be in the mood to do another. I'll probably, if I did do it, of course, naturally you've got to make a diorama out of it. But yeah, so there it is, the 172 8th Air Force Boeing B-17G and bomber resupply set. So a big drum roll. Here we go, number 5 on my list of all-time massive bargains. Because one of the things I forgot to say, this again came from the Hornby outlet shop in Swindon, designer outlet. And one thing I forgot to say is that the Airfix club discount applied on all of these purchases. So this one came down to about 35 quid. Now it says on the sticker that it's water damaged, and I've had this for donkey's years now. It was fairly newly released when I bought this, but it says on there water damaged. Originally 60 quid, down to 39 quid. I ultimately paid 35 quid for it, and I would like to build it. I've got a Matchbox Victor, which I've often thought that I would build just to see how I get on with a paint scheme, but I just think to myself it's a waste of time. Might as well just launch into this Victor. So before very long I can see myself getting my teeth into this model. I'm just going to whip the box off, actually, the lid off, because it is loose, and you can have a little look inside. So it's all in the bag still. The decals are all in good condition. And I've always loved the Victor. I think it's a magnificent aircraft. Look at the size of those fuselage halves. And I think it's the shape of it, the style of it. It looks like something out of Thunderbirds. So yes, that's the Hanley Page Victor. So these are all sort of bargains that I've been fortunate enough to find over the years. These are all the bargains that I've actually paid for. I think I've already told you about the 124 scale Sea Harrier that my wife actually managed to find for me, and she sent me a message with just a picture of the box. I just thought it was the 172 Sea Harrier, so I said, oh yes please, that would be nice, that would be great. When I got home, 124 scale Sea Harrier sat on the worktop in the kitchen waiting for me. So it's still in the stash. And again, I'd like to build it one day, but it's so time consuming doing a big model. But that was a free one, so I haven't included it in this. I hope over the years you've all sort of snagged some bargains. Charity shops are a good source, of course. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that little sniff through those bargain kits, which may or may not get built one day. But they're in the stash, and I enjoy having them. So thanks for looking in again. Happy modelling, and all the best from Pete's Plastic Playground. Bye for now.